Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. Before we'll start, two very quick disclaimers. The first one, make sure that you've got the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And the second disclaimer is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you do not have one, you will have to do it. If you're not sure how to do it, check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. I've just recorded the tutorial. Alright, so we can now enter the Play Store. And I just wanted, it's right here, I believe, or on games. However, if you will enter the Play Store and if you're logged in, all you have to do is to tap on this circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage and tap on Updates Available. That's simply it. Under it, we've got the list of all apps which can be updated. Of course, you can mark all of them and update all. If not, you can just mark specific apps. I will choose Google Chrome, maybe Google Messages, and maybe Gmail. And after that, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will simply download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed. And of course, the apps will be automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.